Hi, today I am going to show you how to make a simple piston door, which everyone should know, just like this. So let's get straight into it. So first we're going to place some pistons, then some blocks here, piston there. Then you will want to dig out the middle tree by 2 square and 2 blocks deep, fill it in with redstone like this. Then here you want to place a block and here. So the way that this piston is being powered is it's being hard powered by the torch. So if you remove this, it's not going to work. So it's very important you have this. Then you put a redstone here. No. So you place a redstone here and here. Like this. So here we'll do the same thing. Put a redstone torch and put a block on top to hard power it. So now you should put 2 blocks here, your pressure plates, cover it up here, and like this. Yeah, remember to put some blocks here. And then after you can just cover this up like this. And like this to hide the redstone. This would be ideal for putting in a tunnel or something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if this helped you out.